Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the June Boxyluxe. So if you want to see what's inside this box, please continue to watch. For those who do not know, Boxyluxe is a part of Boxycharm. Boxycharm is every month and it is $21. Boxyluxe is every quarter and it is an additional $28. I will leave all the information in the bottom section of this video. When you open the box, this is how it looks. So the theme for this month box is Getaway. And I know people always want to know what's your variation. And I got variation 6B. And that's it right down there. And it says 6B. Okay. And on this card, it just tells me what's inside the box and also the price. So let's see what we got first. The first thing I see in this box is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This is what it looks like. And it says, let me see, can I find some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It offers UV protection. It's silicone free and safe for colored and chemical treated hair. And this retails for $29. Okay, $29. Okay, the second thing I see comes in this bag. And it says PYT. Okay, open up this bag. And it is a mini dryer. This is a mini dryer, and it also comes with attachments. You have two attachments. Okay. And it says on the card, PYT Mini Turbo on the Go Dryer. And this retails for $85. Now, I don't think I would purchase this for $85. If I had to purchase on my own, I wouldn't purchase this for no $85. But anyway, you got two items. This one costs more than the box. It's $85 and the box is $50. So, you already beating that. The next thing I see in the box is a mascara. And it says it's mascara. This all-in-one lash curling tools lash enhancer mascara gives you everything you need to take your lash to the next level. And this retails for $25. Okay, I'm not gonna open it because I might give it away in a giveaway. So you know, if you open mascara, you're gonna have to go ahead on and use it because it will dry out. Okay, like I said, that retails for $25. The next thing I see in the box is Pharmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow. Okay, let's see what it says. Let me open it up. See what it looks like. And this is it. Let's see. Okay, and it says Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Night Serum. Okay. This Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow It's a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skins while you sleep. I really need that. And it says it's formulated with a 14% AHA BHA gentle flower acid blend. You get a youthful looking smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. Well, I sure do need that. I'm 57 years old and I need it. And this retails for $58. I can't wait to try this out. And I'm going to get a review on this and let you know exactly how it works on my skin. $58. Okay, the next thing I see in the box is from Dominique Cosmetics. There you go. It's a Dominique Cosmetics. And this is a lip gloss. And it's in the color Strawberry Lemonade. And I think Dominique, she's a YouTuber, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Let me see. Do you see that? Bigger. There you go. It smells good too. Okay, and it says add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with this balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. And this retails for $17. Okay, $17. The next thing I see in this box is Skin and Company. This is a refreshing mist. Okay. Okay. There it is. Let's see what it says about this mist. Okay. It's from Skin and Company, and it is a therapeutic dew mist, and this retails for $35. $35 for this mist. Let's see how it pumps out. Let's see. Not too bad. But anyway, this retails for $35, and it says it's hydrating mist formulated to smooth, protect, and illuminates the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer. Enriched antioxidant, rich smoothing and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint. And this retails for $35. Like I said, I'm going to try all these out, and I'm going to let you all know exactly what I think of this. Next thing I see in the box is Dr. Brandt. And we get a lot of his products, I noticed. And this is Clean by Tonic pH Balance Yogurt Cleansing. Okay, this is a cleanser. And this retails for $35. And it says yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrating, never scripts, let the plants do the dirty work. Okay, $35. I'm gonna try that out. 2 more products. The next thing I see is No Problem. This is a primer, Touch and Soul. It's a primer. Open it up so you can see what it looks like. There it is. Okay, and this primer, Touch and Soul, No Problem, Prime Essential. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul, No Problem, Prime Essential. And this retails for $23. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth. And I would be the judge of that. Like I said, I am going to do a review on all these and let you know exactly what I think of these products. And the last product in the box, which will make the 9th product, is Tarte. Tarte's Pro Glow 3. Okay. Open you up. This is what it looks like. Open it. It do have a mirror on each side. But this is what it looks like. It's very pretty, but this is not what I wanted. But hey, can always get what you want. And I'm not gonna swatch it because I might be giving it away in a giveaway. So, just in case I put it in a giveaway, I'm not gonna swatch it. And this Tarte's Pro Glow Cheek Palette, volume number 3, values at $45. $45, y'all. It said, tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer. So, the first 2 is your blush. Let me see. These 2 are your blush. The next 2 is your highlighter. The last 2 is your bronzer. Okay, that's what that is. Okay. So the total products in this month box added up to $352. Where can you beat that from? $352 worth of products. You have 9 products and they adds up to $352, and all you paying is $50 for it. Where can you beat that from? Nowhere. And you know you can't. So what I'm going to do is leave all the information as well as a link in the bottom section of this video and in the description section of this video. And you just go to the website and you decide if this is something you would like to invest in. Because I really like Boxycharm. That's the only box that I get. I used to get other boxes, but I got rid of all boxes. Only thing I'm into now is Boxycharm / Boxyluxe. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm sorry it took me so long to put my video up, but you know how life is. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And if you would, just hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.